You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is w equals 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2/7 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the w. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/10. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is w equals 3.